Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another exciting trading strategy which you can use to grow your account. And this strategy is very simple and very straightforward again. These very interesting indicators which you have on the chart. This indicator, it doesn't matter whether you are a scalper or you are a swing trader, it will match whatever is your trading style. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. I'm currently in a live market, and I took a trade here which I already closed before this reversal, and currently the market is live. Here I have two indicators on the chart. By the way, I'm using a free account of TradingView, so you don't need to worry about paying for the subscription. With free account, you can use this strategy. All you need is two indicators, and these two indicators are free as well. You can get them on TradingView. One of the indicator is a entry fragger strategy, which I discussed a little bit last time, and this time around I'm combining it with a super trend. I believe a lot of you know much about super trend, but in case if you don't know, super trend is a very nice indicator which gives you a buy or sell signal. From what you can see on the chart, when you have this signal, it will indicate on the chart. So when you get a sell, it will also indicate on the chart. For the strategy which we are discussing today, we will not be just following the signal as what is showing on the chart. So we'll be following this systematically because this is a systematic approach. So as you know, in technical trading, you need to have a trading plan. So with your trading plan, you'll be able to understand which direction of the market that you need to focus, because at every particular point in time, market has a direction. And if you don't have direction in the market, so there is no point of you trading the market until you get clarity with direction of the market. So how do we use this strategy? From what you can see here, using this strategy is very simple, as I said. So what you need is, once you have your entry fragger strategy on the chart, and you have your super trend also on the chart, then you focus to understand. The entry fragger will help you to decide or determine the direction of the market, because knowing the directional bias in the market is the greatest thing you can do as a trader. If you are still struggling with understanding the directional bias in a market, or at every particular point in time whenever you are on the chart, try to watch. There are a lot of my videos on this channel which already discuss about how you can determine the directional bias, which is knowing whether the market is an uptrend or the market is in a downtrend. Because once you know that the market is in an uptrend, as you can clearly see on this chart here, we are using our base, which is the moving average, 200 exponential moving average. This gives us the directional bias to know that currently the market is in an uptrend. So when you are in uptrend, when you get a sell signal from the super trend, you don't need to enter this sell signal, because you know you are trading against the market. So this, which is not advisable using this strategy. There are some other mean reversal strategy which we'll be discussing in the future, but for this current strategy, you don't need to follow this signal just as you see it on the chart. So once you know your directional bias, that the price is above the 200-day moving average, so this tells you that currently this market is moving up. Clearly, as you can see, there is nothing going down. So once you know that the market is moving up, all you need is to focus on only buying the market, because in an uptrend we only capitalize on buying the market. When the market is in a downtrend, that is the time you can sell the market. So once you have this clearly defined, then you start looking for opportunity to buy the market. So taking you from this point, you see when I got this signal here, for you to understand why I entered this trade, when I got this signal here, so what did I do? I try as much as possible to understand the momentum currently existing in the market, and I place, here is my signal, and here I made my horizontal line, and I see here market penetrated this and reversed, and here again market is pushing up, and I know this time the market is going, so I entered at this point and I captured a reasonable amount of pips before I see that the price was going down, because in this strategy I'm using this super trend also to trail my stop. So I place my trailing stop 3 pips below this super trend. At every particular point in time, I move my stop 3 pips below it. So at this point, my super trend trailing stop was hit, and I exited from the market before the market reversed. So from here, what you can see is that at this point, again, you have a signal. There was a signal at this point, which is on this bar. So you see here there was a break. If you are currently in the market when this signal was generated, all you need is at the close of this candle, you enter your buy trade, and you keep maintaining, because your main aim is to capture good profit from the market. So you put your stop loss 3 pips, just between 3 to 5 pips below this super trend. You just keep following the super trend and be managing your trade. So at this very particular point, if you were in this market and you are using this strategy, following it as I'm explaining it now, you will be able to exit the market at this point. So, and this also, as I explained, you will be able to enter and capture the trend. So here I'll be sharing again, show you another currency pair. This one is a Canadian dollar against a Japanese yen. From what you can see on the chart, you see here, first you know already that this 200-day moving average is below the price, so this is clearly defined as an uptrend. So you see here price currently is below the 200-day moving average. So from this region, you are now in a downtrend. From this region here, you are now in a downtrend. But the whole of this area, as you can see, these are uptrend. The market is in an uptrend. So you don't need to do anything other than to buy the market. But here, if you get a signal from this direction now, you will only try to sell the market. So here yet, we are not yet gotten any signal, but there is a signal coming very shortly. So if you are, maybe it depends on the time you are watching this video, but you need to follow this. You might not get this signal which is coming very shortly now, but with time, you follow this strategy, you will be able to capture some good pips. So as I explained, here you have the signal here, and you know that the price is above the 200-day moving average. All you do is from here, you put your horizontal line, and there is a cross. At the end of this cross, you place your buy, and your first stop loss will be below this buy, and you trail your stop 3 to 5 pips below this super trend and continue maintaining it, and maybe probably at this point you will be able to exit the market because the price will hit your trailing stop. Here again, at this point, you see here there was a signal here. A signal was generated, and our 200-day moving average is below the price, so this is clearly an uptrend, and a signal was generated at this point. This is the signal bar, so you wait for a break. Here you got a break, so the moment there is a break here, you enter your buy, and your first stop loss will be below this generated signal bar. So here you keep trailing your stop using 3 to 5 pips below this your super trend, and you continue moving, and probably at this point you will exit. You'll be hit by the market because price here went down, which will hit your 3 to 5 pips. So probably at this point you were stopped out of the market, though the market continued to move, as you see, but that is how the trade plays out. So you cannot do anything. You need to protect your capital because it's very important. Here again, I show you another currency pair to understand that this strategy, you can use it for any currency pair. Here is the Euro Japanese yen. We have the same signal. We have the same indication that 200-day moving average is below the price. And once we have this, so this clearly is in an uptrend. So here is our signal generated for this strategy. We just place here. We clearly mark it out to see a break. Here we got a break. At the moment we got this break, we enter this market and we trail our stop. So this is how you get it. Here is again, at this point you get another signal, and here you place here your horizontal line, and you see here you're able to filter out this market because price did not close above it. So this will also help you in filtering out some of these signal, because it's not just getting a signal and jumping in. You have to have these criteria step by step in order to be able to capture the market. So we place our horizontal line and we wait for price to close above it, and there is no closing above the horizontal line, so we don't enter this trade. Here again you get a buy signal and you place your horizontal line, and there is no price that closed above the horizontal line. So you are able to filter out two bad trades which you're supposed to have taken and make a loss from the market. So here again you get here a signal at this point, and this is the point where the signal was generated, and here you get a break above it, so you enter your market. From here, at this point you get a signal, and this is your signal generated bar, and here there is a close above it. At the close of this candle, you enter your buy and you trail your stop. You're able to capture some good profit. From here, at this point you get a signal here, and this is the candle which gives us the signal, and we place our horizontal line, and there is a break at this point. So once you get this break, you enter your market and you trail your stop. So here this did not meet us because we are trailing our stop, and possibly at this point we were stopped out of the trade. So guys, you see this strategy is very simple, and is something that you can utilize whether you are a beginner or you are a pro trader. You can really utilize this strategy to make a good profit from the market, because it's simple and straightforward. You just have to follow it is, and you will be able to maintain and be able to build your account very fast. Our purpose for this is to be able to build your account no matter the size of your account. Whether it's a small account, you will be able to build it very fast. So I hope you enjoy this content and you enjoy this video, and we implore you, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please try to subscribe so that you encourage us to build and maintain the contents which we are sharing, and be able to create more content for you and for the community. And we wish you all the best in your trading, and happy trading.